challenges. How you spend 130,000 on a challenger? This a demon. I done turned my partner to my manager. Close another deal for 20 mil. That LaFerrari coming. I put glue on both sides of the ball. I know I'll never fumble. I'm alive and ain't doing no time, so I'm forever humble. Different kind. I'm one of them guys. She gon' forever love me. He a child. I'm letting them slide. Cause get them wet for nothing. I'm the boss, the one who they call when they lacking something.
What's good, you guys? So today, after my car warms up, as you guys can see, that bitch is still it moved a little bit, but it's still cold. I'm gonna take you guys on a drive today in the 6, so yeah, stay tuned. So as you guys can see, just like driving it normally to let the car warm up, you know what I mean? It feels just like stock. Check out this nice ass view if the camera doesn't distort it, because the brightness is crazy right now. It's daytime in Miami, so you guys know it's gonna be mad fucking sunny. So yeah, I'm just driving it in comfort right now to let the car warm up, and then I'll put it in Sport Plus for you guys. But yeah, she's a boat. So I wanted to talk to you guys while the car warms up, or it's warm, but I still want to give it a couple more minutes to let the oil circulate through the engine. It's an N55 after all. You got to be careful with the rod bearings in these. So, but I've been thinking about trading this for like F80 M3 or F82 M4, but I've been contemplating it, because if you guys look at this interior, like full leather dashboard, like, you know what I mean, that big ass screen, the virtual or what's it called, the digital cluster, like the F80 doesn't have that, you know what I mean? It has the smaller screen, it has analog gauges, but what it does have is it weighs a lot lighter than this. It's like, I believe this is like 4,700 pounds or 4,600 pounds. I know the F80 is probably like 1,000 pounds lighter than this, so yeah, it does feel significantly lighter. But I don't know if I want to give up the good ass daily driver aspect of the 640 to get like a more sportier F80 when I already have a E92 335 that's pretty quick. I know the F80 with the DCT will probably be faster, but like, I don't know, just something I've been thinking about. But the market has been turning, so I have been seeing some F80s that I like for sub 50k, so that's a good thing. There's no way in hell I'd pay more than 50k for a used S55. All right guys, so once this light changes, the car will probably be warmed up enough, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it in sport for you guys right now. We'll start off in sport, and then I'll throw it into Sport Plus after, so you guys can see what it looks like with the traction off. And also, I don't know if you guys know or not, but when you put the car into Sport Plus, there's a shift light at the end of the RPM. So like over here towards the end, after 5,000, it'll start turning orange. So yeah, for you guys 6WB guys who have a 6WB cluster, yeah, that's how you get the shift lights. It has to be in Sport Plus. Hear that blow off valve? Burbles. This shit sounds so good, bro. N55 might not be the best for power, but god damn does this shit sound fucking good. Here, I'll shift it for you guys manually. Hear that blow off valve? God damn. Fuck the fire rescue, nigga. Yo, that shit sounds like a fucking lawnmower, nigga. Fucking motorcycle niggas. Now I would get S1K though, don't get me wrong, but the torque on this car though, it's straight low down, like 2,000 RPM, and this shit's still torquey. I'm from New York, so like I don't wait in traffic. I'm impatient, if you guys could not tell. But yeah, this is what the car feels like in sport mode. Sounds really good, pulls really good. It's MHD stage 2 plus 93. I think it's V8 or V9, one of those two. Oh man, you gonna let me get in there? Thank you, dickhead. So much construction, bro. What the fuck is this? Thank you, Audi. I'm a BMW driver, so I usually use my turn signals most times when I'm cutting up, but like I have the GoPro on my left and the steering wheel on my right, so you feel me? We don't got hands for turn signals right now. Shift that shit real quick. Like a little bump in the road right here. Gotta brake for that. Downshift again. Let's hear them verbals though. They're a medium, and my exhaust setup is just downpipe stock exhaust. The only thing I changed out was the tip, so it looks good with the diffuser. But yeah, I got both stock mufflers in, and it still pops like that. So you guys hear that blow off valve? That should be sounding crazy. Like, yo, the flutter sounds nuts. What the fuck are these niggas braking for, bro? Yo, you guys hear that blow off though? It's like quarter throttle. Got some burbles. So the difference between Sport and Sport Plus in these cars is that Sport, since I have the car flashed to rear wheel drive right now with X Delete, in Sport it'll kind of cut boost when the tires spin too much, just so you like gain back that traction. In Sport Plus it doesn't cut any boost at all, so it'll just keep the tires spinning the entire time. So I'll show you guys the difference here in a second. But yeah, Sport's really good to just like drive it in every day, because in comfort mode it doesn't feel like it builds boost as fast, as well as the transmission shifts faster in Sport. And since my car is equipped with adaptive suspension, it does tighten up in Sport as well. So yeah, so I'm gonna put it in, hold on, let me turn off this music. I'm gonna put the car in Sport Plus for you guys now. As you guys can see, it turns off traction. I'm stuck in some traffic right now though, so once I get out of it, I'll pick back up the camera and do some posts for you guys. Should I launch it for you guys here? I might give it like 70% throttle or floor. Let's see. We got a red light right here. Let's see what she got. Whoa, that bitch spinning. For a bolt, she gets down. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Do you guys think I should trade it for a F80, or you think I should keep it? I also been looking at G80s, but they're a little more expensive than what I want to pay right now, because I'd want an all-wheel drive one. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. F8X, well, not even F8X, because if I got a F82, I would probably pick one up from Copart and rebuild it, just because I don't really like F82s and I just want to flip it. But if I could get a F80 for sub 50k, I would definitely do that. So, but I'm also picky on the spec that I'd want on my F80. Like, what the fuck is this dickhead doing? I'd want 17 or 18, preferably 18 with the Icon headlights, competition, and I don't really care about the outside color, but I only want red or peanut butter interior. So yeah, that would be my must-haves for F80. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Should I keep the 6 Series, keep making 6 Series content, or should I get a new chassis and start a new build? Yeah, let me know what you guys think. For a bolt though, this car does handle with the H&R springs that I have on it, and the Michelin's with the wider tires in the back, the 295 Pilot Sport 4S's. It does handle pretty well. And that TurboSmart blow-up valve sounds fucking nasty. I'll do a little pull for you guys right here. Oh, she got loose a little bit. Brakes. Turbos. Sounds like fucking gunshots. Videos playing at the same time, you know the vibes. That's why I fucking love this car, bro. See the shift lights? Get that little Aston Martin a little wrong behind me, you feel me? He didn't think a 640 would move like that. Yeah, I'm driving with my knees, FYI. I'm like that. So that's gonna wrap it up for the drive today, guys. Hope you guys like that new style of video. It's kind of popular on YouTube now. A bunch of other YouTubers do it. I think Tedward was the first person to start doing it, so that's where I got it from. If you guys want to see me do this with my other two cars, let me know in the comments. And yeah, I'm out.